Thank you so much, guys. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name is still remains Ronald. Today I'm going to take you through how we can download, install, and use Mendeley apps. Now here we are coming to Google Chrome, and then come here. So we can click on this, download Mendeley. We wait for the internet. Good. Now after this one, we come to this. Let's wait for the internet. Now we come here, download now for Windows. So reaching here, we are going to come here, download, get Mendeley for free. Now get Mendeley for free. It is jumping, and now we come here. You can check on this. Let's open that. Now after clicking this, we come here. Yes, now here it has again jumped. Let us go back. Choose installation option. Here, who should this application be installed for? Okay, so here we are already having anyone who uses the computer, into bracket all users. We also have here only for me, so I'm going to choose only for me. Then I have here next. Okay, so here you can describe the folder. Like here, for me I want to say Mendeley Mendeley installation. Installation. Okay, so this is it. And then I browse. After I click here OK. After OK, I come here, install. Now it is installing already, as you can see. It's already installing. Let's wait for it to install. Let's wait. Almost getting done with the installation. Almost getting done with the installation. Yes, now it has already installed. Now we can take a look at it. Now here we have completing Mendeley reference manager setup. Now here we are going to check on the setup here. Okay, then here click finish to close the setup. Now we are coming here to finish it up. Let's wait. Let's wait. It is getting done. Let it open. So that is it. After doing the thing, you have to come to finishing. Now they're saying please wait while we try to reconnect. So but that is it, how we go by it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.